If you don't like waiting and you want fast results, then this video is the one for you. Because today we're going to be showing you an absolutely free app that's going to pay you instantly for completely free just to click on emails. You're just going to register for completely free and then the app will start sending you emails. You click and read those emails and then boom! Check your PayPal account and you should find your payment right in your account. Today's method is the most perfect for beginners, for those people who have never made a single dime in their life and now want to start earning big PayPal bucks. This method does not require any skills or experience. There is no selling that's going to happen, no affiliate marketing, no investments, and the best part is it works in the majority of the countries that take up the globe, like India or Philippines, Pakistan, United States, Canada, Bangladesh, Nigeria, UK, Australia, and so much more. So the first thing that you need to have before jumping into the website that's going to pay us money to read emails is to obviously have or create an email account. Now, while we are sure that all of you guys have email accounts already, correct? But if you don't, then there's absolutely no issue with that. Just make sure that you create one. You can actually make it on any email platform like Gmail, Yahoo, or even Outlook. Whatever you prefer. So you can obviously download that to your phone as well, so you could easily do the work on your phone. You don't need to turn on your laptop or your computer. You can just work directly on your phone, and as soon as you wake up, before you go to bed, even while you eat your meals, and so on. Now, since we mentioned that you can do this on basically any device, let us know in the comments down below what devices are available to you. Let us know if you love iOS or Android devices, or which one do you like more. Anyhow, let's continue. So our money-making website for today is called clicksgenie.com, and to get to their website, just type in clicksgenie.com, and as you can see, it says get paid to read emails. Make up to 42 cents for every email that you read. Now, ClicksGenie is very easy to use with friendly interface, and you earn money from reading emails at your own pace. You earn even more by inviting friends. You can earn more for every active referral you get, up to 5 levels deep, up to 320%. ClicksGenie is safe and secure to use. All your earnings can be tracked and verified inside your account, and the site loads in less than 1 second. It is mobile friendly and it is super fast. Those are just a few of the many great things about this platform. Your payments are instant every time. All payments on ClicksGenie are instant. You request payout, you're paid in minutes. Your first minimum payout is just 1 cent, and it's instant. There are multiple payment options too. You can get paid through Bitcoin or Perfect Money instantly. ClicksGenie is 100% safe and secured. It uses a 256-bit SSL encryption to protect your data, and it is GDPR compliant. There are over 19,000 members and over $9,000 total paid out. Now, really quick, we actually want to show you some payment proofs. As you can see, these are people from all over the world cashing out their payment every single day and through different methods, which can reassure you that whatever you will be earning with today's method, you will be able to cash out. This isn't a scam. It is real, and these proofs of payment can prove that. Now we want to know what method do you like the most. We mentioned that this method pays out on different ways. But what's your favorite mode of payment? Let us know in the comments below. So you can register in less than a minute. The stats are real time. It's available to literally anyone, and there's even a rapid customer service. Isn't that insane? It's simple, easy, and secured, and it really doesn't get any better than this. Now, setting all the blabber aside, it's time to finally register. So, on the homepage, you're just going to click on register, and then it will bring you to this page right here. Now, you're going to provide all the sign up details being asked. So, that's your username, email, your password twice, your first name, last name, your address, city, state, your gender. You can ignore the referrer and then you confirm that you are not a robot. You accept the terms and notice, and once that's all complete, you can finally click on register. As soon as you hit on that button, you're going to confirm that the email you provided is working email. And this is crucial because this is where it's going to be doing the main work so you could earn. So check your inbox and see if the email confirmation was sent to you. And then you just click on the activation link sent to you. And once you've clicked on that, you will right away be able to sign into your official account. So this is all your dashboard will look like. And everything you need will be on here. You can track your earnings, commissions, purchases, and whatnot. If you want to withdraw your earnings, once you started earning, you just click on the withdraw button. And then if you want to earn through referrals as well, you can just copy your referral link and send it to wherever you want to advertise your link to get more income. Now we're going to be talking about this step that everyone misses and everyone gets some type of mistake done. And it is the most important step. So you want to go back to your email address and then you're going to check out the next email that clicks Genie sent you. And then you must follow the instructions that they sent you. And you need to follow it properly so that they can start sending you emails and you can start reading those emails and you can immediately start earning. And so make sure you do as they say so that you can already make money and start cashing out. And that is basically all you need. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.